cornfields, our slow stream, fringed with its flags, reeds and rushes tall, and meadowsweet, the chosen of them all, by wandering children, yellow as the cream of those great cows, winds on us in a dream, by mill and footbridge, hamlet old and small, red roof, and sees the sunset gleam on mullioned windows of an ivied hall. There once upon a time the heavy king trod out its perfume from the meadowsweet, strong like a woman's love beneath his feet. In stately dance or jovial banqueting, when all was new, and in its wayfaring our streamlet curved, as now through grass and weed. Through grass, through amber cornfields, our slow stream, fringed with its flags and reeds and rushes tall, and meadowsweet, the chosen of them all, by wandering children, yellow as the cream of those great cows, winds on as in a dream, by mill and footbridge, hamlet old and small, red roofs, grey tower, and mullioned windows of an ivied hall. There once upon a time the heavy king trod out its perfume from the meadowsweet, strong like a woman's love beneath his feet. In stately dance or jovial banqueting, when all was new, and in its wayfaring our streamlet curved, as now through grass and wheat. Our streamlet curved, as now through grass and wheat.